for another deep dive.
Always exciting to be here.
Today, we're going to be talking about something that I think is going to be really interesting.
Oh, yeah.
We're talking all about weight loss.
Weight loss. Who doesn't want to talk about that?
Yeah, especially around the holidays.
Especially around the holidays.
But, we're not going to be talking about any fad diets.
No crazy juice cleanses.
No, we're going to be talking about something that's backed by science and something that I think could be really sustainable.
Sustainable. I like that word.
And that is HIIT.
HIIT.
High intensity interval training.
Yes. Yes.
So for anyone who doesn't know, and I'm sure most of our listeners do.
They're pretty savvy.
But just to recap.
Yeah.
HIIT is basically like short bursts of really intense exercise.
Yeah.
Followed by like short recovery periods.
Kind of like you're tricking your body.
Yeah, you're kind of tricking your body into like working harder.
Exactly.
And burning more calories.
You got it.
And so we're going to be specifically looking at like how HIIT can really accelerate your weight loss.
Okay.
And we have some really interesting research that we're going to be diving into.
I love research.
So get ready to learn how much more effective just a 30-minute HII workout can be compared to other your traditional workouts.
Your everyday gym routine.
Exactly, yeah.
So one of the studies you sent over, what I found really interesting is they compared HIIT workouts to those stereotypical, running on the treadmill.
Like steady state cardio, yeah.
Biking, even resistance training.
Oh, wow. Okay.
They really wanted to see how the calorie burn differed between these different activities.
I'm already hooked.
The results, they are pretty awesome.
Play on me.
They found that a 30-minute HIIT workout burned 25 to 30% more calories than those other activities.
Whoa, 25 to 30%.
That's a huge amount.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of calories.
So, how does that even compare to other, weight loss strategies that you've seen?
Well, I mean, obviously diet plays a huge role, but when it comes to working out, that kind of calorie burn is a huge advantage.
Okay.
And I think one of the key factors here is something you've probably heard of, EPOC.
EPOC.
Excess post-exercise oxygen consumption.
Okay, so break that down for me.
So basically, HIIT pushes your body into this oxygen debt.
Oxygen debt? That sounds serious.
It sounds serious, but it's actually a good thing.
Okay.
Because it means your body continues to burn calorie.
Even after you're done working out?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, wow.
At a higher rate.
So you're you finished the workout, but your body's still working?
Still working.
That's amazing.
So that's why it's so efficient.
Yeah.
Especially for people who, don't have a lot of time.
Don't have a ton of time to be working out, yeah.
They want to get in, get out.
Get the most bang for their buck.
Exactly. And what I thought was even cooler about this study is they didn't just look at, super athletes or anything like that.
Right.
They had a wide range of participants.
Okay.
Beginners.
Really?
People who were already pretty fit.
Okay.
And they found that HIIT was significantly more effective across the board.
Oh, wow. That's good to know.
So it really doesn't matter what your fitness level is.
Yeah.
You can benefit from HIIT.
Now, I know you mentioned resistance training earlier.
Yes.
Just for our listeners who maybe aren't familiar with that term.
Yeah.
Just kind of quickly explain what that is.
Absolutely. So resistance training is basically any exercise that makes your muscles work against some type of force.
Okay.
So think about using weights.
Okay.
Or even just your own body weight.
Body weight, okay.
Like squats.
Okay.
Push-ups.
Okay.
Lunges.
Gotcha.
All of those are considered resistance training.
Okay, cool. So besides just the calorie burn, which is obviously very impressive, what other benefits does the research say that HIIT has?
Well, the research is pretty clear that HIIT can do a lot more than just help you lose weight.
Okay.
It can actually improve your cardiovascular health.
Oh, nice.
Boost your metabolism.
Okay.
And even help you build muscle.
Oh, wow. So it's all around good for you.
It's a pretty amazing workout.
Yeah. So for those listeners who are ready to jump in and try this out.
Ready to get sweaty.
Yeah.
What are some classic HIIT exercises that they could try?
They're kind of easy to do.
Yeah. Well, you've got your high intensity cardio moves, right?
Okay.
So think burpees.
Burpees, love them.
Oh, everyone loves burpees.
Well, maybe not.
Jumping jacks.
Jumping jacks.
Mountain climbers.
Oh, yeah, those are tough.
Those get your core going. High knees.
High knees, okay.
And then, to mix it up, you can also add in some strength training exercises.
Okay.
Like we talked about before. Squats, push-ups.
Lunges.
Lunges, exactly. So you can kind of create your own little HIIT circuit.
Awesome. So just to kind of like sum up everything we talked about today.
Put a nice little bow on it.
Yeah, we've learned that HIIT workouts with those like intense bursts and those short recovery periods can really lead to like a significant increase in calorie burn.
Way more than your traditional workouts.
Which obviously is like a really powerful tool if you're trying to lose weight.
Definitely. And I think what's really exciting about all of this is that efficiency, the fact that you're getting more done in less time, could really be the key to unlocking faster progress toward your weight loss goals.
I love that. I love that. So like if you're out there and you're looking to like really optimize your fitness routine and you haven't explored HIIT yet,
what are you waiting for?
Yeah. You know, I think it's definitely worth checking out.
Definitely worth trying.
Especially with all those added benefits like, you know, improved cardiovascular health, boosting your metabolism. Like,
who doesn't want that?
I mean, it makes you wonder, like, could this be the secret ingredient?
The magic bullet.
The magic bullet, yeah.
Yeah.
Not only to achieving your weight loss goals, but just overall well-being.
Yeah, it's really about feeling good.
Feeling good, yeah. It's definitely something to think about as you're, you know, figuring out your workout routines and, you know, just trying to live a healthier lifestyle.
Absolutely.
All right, everyone, that's our deep dive for today.
Thanks for joining us.
And, you know, we'll see you next time.
See ya.